lot of videos on how to cook a steak. For me, cooking steak, about 1 out of 6 times, I get it where I like it. I have given up on cooking steak myself. I just go to the casino now. When I want a steak, I go into the steakhouse in the casino where they got the best cuts of meat. They have professional chefs cooking the steaks. That's the only way I want to eat steak anymore. Can't get a decent cut of steak in the grocery store. And I don't cook steak enough to become a professional like a professional chef. So I'll pay the price. Look, I'm a millionaire. I can afford it. When I want steak, I will go to a nice restaurant and probably in a casino and get it.